All right, had a weird situation happen today where the seatbelt just came completely unbolted from the body of the car. So I'm gonna try to fix it. This little spacer right here was just laying in there on the floor, so you can feel it's threaded down inside here. So I think the spacer goes here, the bolt goes through it, tighten it down. We'll see if that does it. Looks like it is going to be a 14mm socket that's gonna fit on there. Going righty-tighty on it. Grabbed a bigger socket wrench just to have more leverage on here, just to get a few more cranks out of it. Seems to be okay now. I think we're back in business. I'm assuming that just came out from years of vibration. This is an older car. Time of filming this is 2025. This is a 2010 car, so 15-year-old car. I'm assuming years of vibration just slowly worked that out, and I just never noticed it. So I'm glad we caught it before it was deadly. I think we're good to go though now. Back in business.